Hello everybody, back here doing another box break. This time I have on my hand 2019 Diamond Kings Baseball by Panini. This is actually a really great product for Hobby Box. In the box you get 8 cards per pack, and it comes 12 packs per box, so you can go ahead and do the math on that. You're guaranteed 2 autographs or memorabilia cards per break. So I'm going to send here some of the on. Let me see if I can get that in focus for you guys. So actually it's not going to get in focus, but either way, you can see this really great product. You know, I really love the designs on these ones, a little more portraiture, you know, so you have a lot of like artistic looks to them. So I've already opened a box of these before, and I picked these up from a card dealer out here in Vegas, Legacy Sports Cards. So if you're in the area, go ahead and give them a visit. They're really great. They have a really great selection of cards for there and stuff like that. So you can go ahead and you can pretty much rest assured you're going to have a really good time in there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just start unboxing this pack. So got my knife here. So like I said, these really great cards to go ahead and unbox. You know, I've had really great time doing it the first time around, so I figured, you know, let's just go ahead and give it a shot again. So I'm gonna get the cards out. All right, first pack. Like I said, they're really fidgety when it comes to unpacking these, just because this is the Panini packs. So Paninis are a little more, you know, sealed up tightly compared to like Tops. So it doesn't mean that they're not great. Just you have to take a little patience with them if you're not used to opening them. So, all right, first pack. We have Takota Hudson rookie card, PB Reese. Michael Kopech. Uh-oh. You got my first. Uh-oh. Alright, let's go ahead and see. We got a Jose Ramirez portrait frame. It's actually really nice. Lou Gehrig. Matt Carpenter. Charlie Keller. And it's a jersey patch from Michael Brantley from the Cleveland Indians. So these cards are really beautifully made. I mean, not too bad. I actually get the first pack I actually get out. So I'm gonna put that right there. All right, second pack. So I think at least I know with the next one, I'm going to go ahead and save that reveal till last. So at least you know what it is you can expect from some of these breaks right here. All right, let's just check and see. All right, so we have a Michael Cochran. And you see, you have a good mixture of some of the older cards, older players. So you have Justice Sheffield, Christy Mathewson. This is not autograph. It's a Michael Kopech parallel frame. Mike Trout. Aaron Nola. Kevin Kramer, rookie. And Babe Ruth. So these ones you just really got to enjoy, like, you know, the look of them. You know, like I said, they're really beautifully made cards. Ozzy Albies. Ozzy Altuve. Mookie Betts. So this is not an auto. Francisco Lindor. Oh, look at filler. We got an heirs to the throne, Vlad Guerrero Jr. On the back is dead. Kobe Allard, Joe DiMaggio, and Max Scherzer. Next pack. And hoping you guys don't hear a dog barking. It's my neighbor's dog back here now, so hopefully you don't catch that in the audio. But if you do, just reminded that dogs do bark. Kyle Freeland, Al Simmons, Miggy Cabrera, an artist proof of George Brett. That's really nice. Bob Shockey, Kristen Stewart, rookie. Ramon Laureano, rookie. And Mickey Mantle. I've seen a lot of people in these breaks, so yes, it's always an issue opening up these paninis. And speaking of Vlad Guerrero, there you are, Vlad Guerrero. Got a Jacob deGrom. Got a Walter Alston. Got a Gleyber Torres. Got a Nolan Ryan. Sean Reed Foley, Jackie Robinson, and Corey Kluber. Let's see what else we get. Still looking for our other hit. Got a Juan Soto. Oh, what? I think it's a crowning moment. So, Juan Soto, Carl Hubble, Ichiro. This is actually a crowning moment for Max Scherzer. The Mickey Betts parallel. I really love these ones right here. You know, it's just like having a piece of artwork, you know, and stuff like that. It's really beautifully made cards. Roger Clemens, and Greenberg, and Alex Bregman. You know, it's different than your traditional area cards, and you see your player and the positions and stuff like that. So, you know, so this is really more just, you know, like more something you would see, you know, in art gallery, Art Deco. So they're really, really beautifully made cards. All right, got a Jacob Nix rookie, Chipper Jones, Freddie Freeman. Nope. Not an auto. And a Babe Ruth. Got a flashback of Roger Clemens, Stan Musial, Carl Ernstke, and Salvador Perez. Ooh. I'm gonna save that one for later. It's really hard to tell because like with these ones, like Panini does fill in with the filler pack, so like, you know, you can't really tell what you're actually getting. So with that one, I felt something in it, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and save that one for later. So we got a Ronald Acuna Jr., Cielo Perez, Luis Severino. Don't think that one is. That's just a crowning moment of David Wright. Got a Cal Ripken, Roberto Clemente, Josh James rookie, and Satchel Paige. More filler. Let's check and see if this one is trying to trick me. Looks like this one is tricking me right now. All right, we got a Tony Gwynn, Jonathan Davis, Garrett Hampson, Kyle Wright, filler, Oh no, look at this one. See now, I like the Gallery of Stars on these ones right here. I actually have a Shoei on this one, I believe, but anytime you get to pull a Mike Trout, like it's really beautiful. Mike Trout's one of my favorite players. I mean, I'm pretty sure everyone's favorite player, but you know, like being able to see him play is actually been really, really a big treat. So, but living in Vegas is a little hard to go out there again. But every time I make it down in the area, I like to see Mike Trout. So, I love having this one right here. Chris Sale, Kiki Kyler, and Chance Adams. All right, we have 3 packs left from this break. So still looking for our very, very, very last hit. So we already pulled Jersey Kings for Michael Brantley. So, and I actually plan on doing a recap of my first break on this one to show you what I actually got from that one. So, oh wait, I'm gonna save this one for last. So, I think that one actually contains the auto. So, don't know who it is. I think that one contains the auto. All right, we got a Mel Ott, Ryan O'Hearn, Ted Williams. It's a Manny Machado. Now for the Padres. Got another heirs to the throne of Shohei Ohtani. I don't have this one. This is actually really nice to have right there. And then the heirs to the throne is actually Ichiro. So I like that little comparison here. So you have a Shohei, heirs to the throne for Ichiro, which really at the time Ichiro was really, really the main player to come out of Japan. But now it's Shohei's turn. So Joe Sewell, Ricky Henderson, and Corbin Burns. Alright. Technically second and last is already opened with one of the other ones, but I'm going to save that one for later because this one has, I believe, filler. So I'm pretty sure the fillers really don't have anything in them. The only entire intent of fillers is just to trick you. I can, get the pack to open. Well, just gonna have to go this route. Looks like on the back we got Paul Goldschmidt. In the front we have Joe Wood, Chris Shaw, Ty Cobb, Sam Crawford, Phil Alert. Sorry. Got a Gallery of the Stars, Aaron Nola, Brad Keller rookie, Reese Hoskins, and Paul Goldschmidt in the back. And for the very, very last ones. So let's see, find that. Okay. We got Brooks Robinson, Roger Hornsby, Joey Votto, Nolan Ryan, David Fletcher rookie, Johnny Bench, get the 300 early win, and our auto is Cody Bellinger. Oh my gosh. You know what? I am really satisfied with this break. I mean, to have a Cody Bellinger, even though the Dodgers are not really my favorite team in the world, I have my own reservations on that, but Cody Bellinger has been killing it of late, and honestly, this is such a beautiful card. I really love this one right here, So yeah, to recap, so we have Cody Bellinger right there, and that Michael Brantley patch. So, all right, guys. Well, thank you very much for seeing my break, and till the very next one. So remember to go ahead and subscribe, and look forward to some more breaks here in the upcoming future. Talk to you later, guys. Peace.